Hello, listeners. I hope you are well. This is Aurora popping in with a quick announcement. I'm taking a break from releasing new episodes for the rest of September while I do some much needed upgrades to my recording equipment and production software. However, our monthly guided relaxation session will be released next week. And hopefully in October, my guests and I will be back looking and sounding crisper and cleverer than ever. I have quite a fun series planned next. I know the tone of the podcast has been very serious so far, so I think we are due for some lightness and maybe even some ooky spooky vibes for Halloween. Until then, look after yourself and keep doing what you need to do to take care of your mental health. Seeing everything that's happening in the world, I know that what helps me is to really mobilize my internal locus of control, take action, stay in community, and rely on mutual and reciprocal empathy. As always, there is a link in the show notes to donate to the Palestine Children's Relief Fund, and I encourage you to get involved in any action being organized in your community. Remember, everyone deserves to live with an optimal mental health.